back to another video. So, real quick, I'm gonna go eat, so I'll be right back. So, I'm here with Elizabeth, and we are going to go to
the trampoline park for my birthday.
Woo! Doing the arcade because we got some wait time.
Nice, Cam.
Nice. Let me try this.
It's hard enough.
Got this. Oh, too hard. Lottery. Got the lottery. We have to get the lottery. You have to hit that 100, bro. Woo! I just now said you have to hit the 100. 100 tickets. That's what I'm talking about. Oh.
Jump scare.
You guys are ready for us to jump, so time to jump. I did. Good job. Fishing on me. Fishing on me. We're on the wipeout thing. That was there. That was there. Oh, that fell. I'm better. Switching. Switching. All right. It's better. This. Oh. It's better. This. Oh. Hey, this is me editing at night. I didn't say what we were doing, but we're doing hide and seek. Hey! Can you help me bury me? I'm playing hide and seek with my cousin. Thank you so much. We're just... This is gonna be fun. Cover my feet. My feet. It's not comfy at all. This is actually very comfy. Where is he? Where is he? I'm trying to hide my leg as much as possible. Give him a hint. This way. I should get in better hiding spot.
You'll get hurt up there, baby. Come on.
gotta go. I'm running away. Stop, you're gonna tell me. I want to get out. Sorry. She doesn't. Gotta go. I fell. I'm bad. Go. Gotta go. Oh, crap. I became the only one here. Just resting. It has been probably 4 minutes. I'm gonna start walking. Trusty Bradley, I'm running. It's here. That's where I just was. Gotta go. Where she just was. Girl.
Dude, I'm through with the fun.
No, go. That's pretty far. That was scary.
See you later.